This is Joe Meadow with the VA Mortgage Soldier, and today we're going to talk about funding fees and the different funding fees, whether it's first use, second use, whether your military service was Guard, Reserve, or active duty. Right here we have the down payment, so it's none, 5 to 10, and 10%. The more money you put down, the less risk the VA has, so they actually lower your funding fee. 2.15% for a first-time use, 1.5% with 5 to 10% down for a first-time use, and 1.25% with 10% down for a first-time use. These are all active duty numbers. Now you go down here to the reserve numbers and you get a little bit higher. For the first-time use, 2.14%, 1.75 for the 5 to 10% down, and 1.5%. To put these numbers into perspective, you're going to get a 100% mortgage on $100,000. You will have $2,150 added to your mortgage. This is not money that comes out of your pocket. It is a funding fee the VA uses to fund the VA home loan department, okay? So over here, for the second use, this is a second time because you can use a VA mortgage as many times as you want. You just have to pay one off, and there's also additional entitlement, which we'll get to in a later video. So here, the second use, 3.3, 1.5, and 1.25, depending on your down payment for active duty use. Down here for Guard and Reserve, second use funding fees are over there. To put this in perspective, a $100,000 mortgage on a second use funding fee is going to have $3,300 added to the mortgage. This is Joe Meadow with the VA Mortgage Soldier.